Good evening, friends. I'm one of the representative of Dentodontics. I'm here to came up with another update of Rajasthan MDS counseling and UP MDS counseling. So first of all, I will give you some updates of Rajasthan MDS counseling extended mop-up schedule has been given, and it has been posted on our official Twitter handle. You can follow us on our official Twitter handle. The link will be shared in our description, and in the comment box also will be pinned. You can follow for the NEET MDS counseling for further updates, and the explanation for the Rajasthan MDS counseling will be like this: that the extended mop-up has come up. Some briefing is there, like the fresh registration is going to be open, like for every state. It will be open for 166 vacant MDS seats in Rajasthan. So all the candidates who are now eligible after the revised cutoff, and also who did not register in Rajasthan earlier, are also eligible for the registration. That means all the students that are eligible after revised cutoff marks, and the students that who haven't registered prior than that are also eligible for the registration. And the mop-up round will be offline. So the mop-up round will be offline, and it will be offline conducted in Jaipur. The schedule is updated on our official Twitter handle. And the second thing is that after mop-up there will be also a stray vacancy will be also there, and that will be also offline on the Jaipur. So that is all about Rajasthan MDS counseling update. That all that 166 vacant seats are there for the open, and there are open seats for all the different states. Students can apply for it. And second thing for MDS, and the second thing, all the candidates who are eligible right now with the revised cutoff can apply for it. And second, all the students who haven't registered for Rajasthan MDS counseling are also eligible to apply for it. So you all both can register. Those who are not eligible, who are eligible right now after revised cutoff, and second, those who haven't registered prior are also eligible for registration for the counseling of Rajasthan for mop-up and stray vacancy that will be offline in Jaipur. The schedule has been posted on the official Twitter account of our Dentodontics. Now the next update is of UP, is of Uttar Pradesh State MDS counseling. The next update is of Uttar Pradesh State MDS counseling. Their mop-up is also been extended with certain guidelines, and their mop-up will start. Date of online registration start from 12th November to 16th November. So one of the important thing is that those who are eligible after revised cutoff marks or are also eligible in this. So like the mop-up has also been extended for UP, and those who are eligible for registration, those who haven't registered up till now, they can also register for the extended mop-up for UP. And second, those who have got revised cutoff and are now eligible for the counseling, they can also register for UP extended counseling. The schedule has been updated on our official Twitter handle. You can follow us on our official Twitter handle. There you will get everything. And the registration for the extended mop-up starts from 12th of November, 3 p.m. Okay, so that's the update. That is from today until 16th November. And some of the things are also there, that the conduction of the offline extended mop-up will be in King George Medical University. Candidates report till 10:30 a.m. No MDS seats are available in government dental colleges. All the government colleges seats are full in the UP thing. Only the private colleges seats are available. Only those candidates are eligible for mop-up round who have not been allotted any seats. Those who are eligible for the extended mop-up for UP is only those candidates are eligible for mop-up who have not been allotted any seats in first, second and mop-up round MDS counselings. first, and candidates who have not been allotted, not joined any seat, UP will not be eligible in the mop-up. Okay, those who are allotted and joined and didn't join the college, but they are not eligible now. Any candidate who has taken admission in PG course are also not eligible. So candidates who will have to produce certificates in original, they have to, all the details are also further, the guidelines have been updated by us on our official Twitter account. You can go and check there. We will post the link in the comment box and in the description box also. So here is a small conclusion, like a short thing what concluded the whole video. Like Rajasthan mop-up, extended mop-up schedule is also come. Uttar Pradesh extended mop-up schedule has also come. Rajasthan, those person who are not registered earlier in any of the round are also eligible, and the revised cut-off students are also eligible. There are total 166 vacant seats are there in Rajasthan mop-up, where the students can apply for it, firstly from all the different states. And the second, UP mop-up also round extended mop-up is also schedule has come. Both the schedules we have posted on our official Twitter handle. You can go and check there. And third thing is that the schedules, the UP extended mop-up starts from 12th of November, yani it's from today. So all the congratulations to all the eligible students, and apply. We will come with further updates in the through our YouTube podcast. Subscribe this channel for further YouTube updates for the NEET MDS counseling and for all the other state counselings and for all the dental updates. So thank you. This was one of the representative of Dentodontics came with update. Thank you, sir. And please subscribe our channel and follow us on our Twitter official Twitter handle, that we have the link has been posted in the comment section, which is it has been pinned, and also in the description box also. Thank you.